Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to make your Instagram account private. If you want to make your Instagram account private, you have to follow the steps. So first thing first, open the Instagram application and log into your account. After you're logged in, you will then be directed to the home page. Here, click the profile initials from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to tap the menu bar from the top right corner. After you go to this section, you could actually go ahead and click on who can see your content section, right? So right over here, you could go ahead and manage your privacy control or your settings. So currently my account is public, so I can go ahead and toggle the button and enable a private account. So this way you'll be able to make your account private. And next, you can also go ahead and make sure to enable this options as well, or select close friend, or maybe you could go ahead and select or enable any other options that can make your account go private as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.